In this video, we'll talk about Python set. So we have already talked about Python list and Python tuples in the previous video. So we see Python list is ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. Python tuples is a little bit different. It is unchangeable, but it is ordered as well as allow duplicate values. And now comes the Python set. Python set is not ordered, that is, it is unordered. It is also unchangeable and do not allow duplicate values. So that's how it differs from list and tuples as a collection data type. So let's begin with defining a Python set. So names equals to curly braces. So as we were defining list with square brackets, tuples with parentheses, we can define set with curly braces. So within curly braces, I'm writing three names: Gurmeet, Aman, and Daman. Now let's print names. Okay, so now one thing to notice here is I write in this order: Gurmeet, Aman, and Daman. And the order that I can see in the console window, Aman, Gurmeet, and Daman. So it changed the order, right? Because a set is unordered, okay? So let me just print once again, and now you see it's in a different order: Daman, Gurmeet, and Aman. Let me print again. Now you see it's in a different order: Gurmeet, Aman, and Daman. So every time the order differs. That's why a set is called as unordered collection data type in Python. Again, like list and tuples can have any type of items belonging to any data type. And similar is the case with the set as well. Let me also check the length of the set and also the type of the set. As you can see, length is 3 because it contains 3 items, and the class that it belongs to is set. Again, you can convert a Python string into a set as we were doing in list and tuples video, like name equals to Gurmeet Singh, and then print set of name. Okay, let's see. You can see all of the characters are splitted, but one thing here that you can clearly notice is here it contains like I have 2 E's in my name. You can see E double E, but it contains E only once. What it means? It means the set do not allow duplicate values. Okay, so it is one of the things that makes the set different from list and tuple. It does not contain duplicate values. Now, another thing is that you can add or remove items from a Python set, but you cannot change an existing item. That's why we say it is unchangeable. But you can add or remove items in in Python set. Let me create a set from this name only. So name as set is equal to set of name. Then I'm printing. So it prints the set, and now I want to insert. Okay, how can I insert the value into it? Using the add method. Name as set dot add, and let me just insert a random numerical value 2500 into it, and then printing it. You can see it is added somewhere in between. Every time you will print, you will find it somewhere else. Okay, here it is 4th index. So there is no indexing in case of set because it is unordered. Indexing is only possible in case of ordered data types. Okay, remember that. And now I also want to remove a particular item. Let's say I want to remove this n. How can I do that? I can use the remove or discard method. I'll tell you the difference between remove and discard method as well. So name as set dot remove. I want to remove the letter n. Okay, so I can specify n like this, and then print name as set. You can see the letter n is now removed from this one. But let's say if I want to remove a letter, I'm not sure about if this letter or this particular item is there in the Python set. I'm just trying removing it. Okay, so let me type 1500 here, 1500 as string. It is clear that it is no item right there. Now if I will run it, you can see it is key error because there is no 1500 item, right? But you can always use discard method because it will not raise an error if the item is not in the set. Okay, if the item is there in the set, it will remove the item, but if the item is not in their set, it will not raise any error. So this is the difference between the remove and the discard method of Python set. So that's all about Python sets.